the first reason why I think people fail in the bar examinations is, you don't have the correct mindset. You don't have a winning mindset.
Gaano kalaking motivation para sa'yo yung nag-fail ka nung una mong attempt sa bar exam?
Actually po, malaking part talaga yung nangyari last year kasi madami rin po ako na-realize na hindi naman pala lahat talaga ibibigay sa'yo ng kung kailan mo gusto. Merong times na kailangan maka-experience ka rin ng rejection.
Pagkatapos, nalulungkot ka kapag ikaw bumagsak? Huwag ka malungkot. Dapat maging masaya ka. May karapatan kang kumuha. Sila wala. See? You look at it in a positive way. Be happy about the circumstance you are in. You have a right which others cannot exercise.
Yung mindset po natin is not only to pass the bar, it's not only to become a lawyer. Yung mindset po natin is to top the bar. And in fact, not only to top the bar. Our mindset should be to get the highest grade possible in the bar examinations.
You look at it in a positive way. 90 milyon ang mga Pilipino, pero ilan kami ang pwede lang kumuha ng bar? 5,000 lang, 6,000. Pero milyones ang hindi makakuha ng bar. Ayaw niyong bumagsak dahil nahiya kayo sa inyong mga kaopisina. Nahiya kayo sa inyong mga kabarangay. Bakit ka mahiya? Hindi na sila pwedeng kumuha ng bar. We are of a different breed, and you have to be proud of it whether you pass the bar or not. Be proud of yourselves. You are law graduates. Do not think about not making it in the bar. Remember what I told you? It's a delayed success. What did I say before? Taking this bar is a mere formality.
And with that, you need to examine yourself. Examine your motivations. Why do you want to do this? Why do you want to become a lawyer? Why do you want to take the bar examinations? So you have to examine yourself. Kasi if you don't have the correct motivations in taking the bar exams or in going to law school, you will not survive law school. It will just be a waste of time, effort, money. Okay lang po kung money nyo. What if money ng parents nyo, money ng mga siblings nyo, they are sending you to school. So, kawawa naman. Okay? So, you got to have the correct motivation. So, you have to examine yourself. Ano ba talaga yung goal ko? Why do I really want to become a lawyer? And then, once you decide to become a lawyer, you decide on that goal, then you have to do your best. You have to do everything within your power.
Kasi hindi ibig sabihin na nagpa-perform ka before sa school mo, sure na magiging lawyer ka or makakapasa ka sa bar. This time po, parang na-realize ko na basta tanggapin mo lang kung ano yung ibibigay sa'yo. Gawin mo yung part mo, magsipag ka, magdasal ka ng maigi, and then ibibigay yun sa'yo kung talagang para sa'yo yun at kung time mo na talaga.
So if you're asking yourself, shall I take the bar or not? You take the bar. Because if you don't take the bar, you are foreclosing any chance of becoming a lawyer next year. Do not sabotage yourself.
Inano ko na lang po lahat kay Lord na parang sana lang pong bahala sa akin. I will do my best. I will do my part. And then He will do the rest. Hindi po ako nakapasa sa first day ko. And then, okay. I promise po sa sarili ko na baka hindi ko pa po time, hindi pa will ni Lord na ibigay sa akin yung pinagpipray ko for that time.
But if you do not make it, you simply say, well, go ahead. It's just delayed. It's not a failure. It's a delayed success.
Binasalan ko na lang po sana enough na to para pakita nila na deserve kong maging abogado and I will be a good lawyer for the country. Parang ganun po.
Okay. If you are undecided, let me advise you, take the bar.
You've been studying for the bar, but do you actually know how to answer bar questions properly? Because knowing the law is very different from writing a bar-worthy answer. Many examinees lose points, not because they don't know, but because they answer the wrong way. That's why we offer Soar High free online bar coaching, focused on how to structure and write bar exam answers with real coaching from lawyers themselves, It's free. Click the link in the description below and start today, because passing the bar depends on how you answer.